Hi friends, I'm really excited about these workshops that I'll be doing with Karen Prentice and the Hamsa Meditation Center. And I'm really glad that these are going to be open to everyone who wants to join because we're doing them online. And I wanted to explain a little bit about what we're going to do these 2 days, Saturday, April 4th and Sunday, April 5th. Because on Saturday, we're going to be talking about a Tibetan model of mind. And this might be a little bit unfamiliar to people. So, why would you even want to learn about this? So I want to introduce the idea that our mind has layers to it. We have conceptual thought, which we're all familiar with. Those are just the thoughts that run through our mind. But we also have non-conceptual awareness, and we even have non-conceptual awareness of sights, sounds, all the ordinary things of our experience. So I want to talk about what's conceptual, what's non-conceptual. The other thing that we're going to talk about in terms of this model of mind is, okay, so what? So how does that apply, for instance, to our meditation practice? Or if we're trying to practice meditation in order to have a clearer mind, or whatever our spiritual goals are, this model of mind is important because it can show us that there's a lot more to what we're capable of experiencing than just our ordinary levels of mind. So that's Saturday. Sunday, we're going to talk about near-death experiences, reincarnation research, really, really fascinating research, sort of objective third-person research into experiences that people report either when they come close to death or when they have actually, or when they're reporting having died and come back. So these sorts of experiences are very, very extreme. They're not our ordinary experiences at all. And they also tell us a lot about the structure and the function of our mind. And they also tell us about how important aspirations, you might even say sort of plans or wishes for the future, can be in terms of what happens next for us. So we're going to do some meditations both days to really try and bring these esoteric sounding topics into our own lived experience. I hope you can join these 2 workshops. You can do one day, you can do both days, and if you have any questions, you can email me or Karen. Our email addresses are on the screen, and we'll be happy to chat with you more. Thank you.